The scoliosis is where you have any type of deviation of the spine. There's different degrees of scoliosis. So you've got like mild scoliosis, which is below 20 degrees. Okay, moderate is when, for example, like this, when it's between 20 and 40 degrees. Okay, and then severe is when it's like this, over 40 degrees. So it really depends. Like for a patient, for example, whose spine is curved a lot, for example, like this, or like this, where it's really severe on certain regions, it can be difficult to correct totally to 100%, if not impossible to go 100% to totally straight. And it will really depend. Like for example, this one here, like this is more of a gentle mild scoliosis, which is more. This can be helped more, definitely a lot easier than these two examples. Okay, and it really depends on age. For example, if there's a lot of deterioration through here, it's going to be very difficult to adjust this, and you have to be very gentle when we do adjustments through here, compared to someone that's younger who has scoliosis through here. Okay, even in children, this one here is actually my son. He's already, this is taken at 3 years old, and you can see already his spine is already deviated. This is totally straight. You can see how his spine is already deviated towards the right. Okay, so scoliosis actually developed very early in life. Okay, so even though this looks really severe, this could have been like this at similar type of age. So if not monitored or checked regularly, then, for example, this X-ray here may turn out to be like this. Okay, that's why it's very important to have regular checkups, even earlier on in life. With a case like this, where it's very severe here, through here, and through here, what we want to do is we don't want to adjust always at the apex, because that potentially is where, if we keep adjusting these areas, they can actually make it worse. So what we'll do in Chiropractic is we want to locate which region, especially which specific vertebra is misaligned. Okay, so when we find, for example, a misalignment at the base, especially in the pelvis, for example, that can have a big effect on what goes on up higher. Okay, so we don't necessarily always adjust right where it looks the worst. Okay, so because a lot of times these areas are already hypermobile, they're already moving too much. So if we adjust them and make them move even more, it's not going to actually have too much of an effect. What we want to do is we want to look at which vertebra is really stuck, very restricted, and a lot of times, for example, with this case, it's going to be from the base or from up into here. So we don't always want to adjust a lot of segments in one session. We always want to locate where the worst is, and usually maybe 1 or 2 adjustments.